Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here. Welcome back to another tutorial. Have you ever wondered the transitions for both ways footwork? If yes, that means you're in a treat because I'm going to show you guys how to do both ways footwork transitions. But, yes, there's a but, because this is a both ways footwork, you need to be able to do or master both ways. Doesn't matter if it's 6 steps, 2 steps, whatever it is, as long as the steps that you want to do the transition with, you need to master both ways. Alright, for the sake of today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys with 6 steps. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from my channel, you'll get notified. Great, so without any further ado, let's start. So we're going to start with 6 steps, alright, but we're just not going to start with the normal 6 steps. We're going to start from standing to 6 steps. Alright, so I'm gonna kick my left leg down. Alright, we're gonna do a 6 step, normal 6 step. Alright, this is a very usual 6 step move. I won't go deep into this until you're gonna sweep over, you're gonna stop. Okay, from here, this is where the reverse footwork coming in. That is why you need to be able to do both ways. For this part here, I'm using 6 steps. That means I need to be able to do both ways 6 steps. Alright. Now I'm gonna reverse my 6 step. Kick, reverse. Alright, from here, you can see I'm back to the push-up position now. I'm gonna continue my first step of my footwork or 6 step. From there, my left leg is gonna cross over like this. Alright, clear? One more time. First step of my 6 step, and then my left leg gonna cross over. From here, I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna put, which is my right leg from behind to the side. Now my left leg going to the back of my right leg, so we reverse again. Okay, from here, my right leg is gonna go to the back, and I'll keep my left leg up. After doing this, you can continue again to your 6 step. Clear? Now one more time. All right. From standing up, kick, 6 step, continue until the hook. You're gonna stop. Now I'm gonna do the reverse of my 6 step. Here's the first step of my 6 step. All right, again, push up, first step. From here, left leg's gonna cross over. I'm gonna go up. Watch closely here. My right leg is on the back now. You're gonna go to the side, and my left leg will go to the back of my right leg. Okay, from here, switch back again to 6 step. That's it for the tutorial. As you can see, where you can do both ways footwork, you can expand your move even further. Alright, sometimes we just take it for granted. We just want to do one way. Trust me, if you can do both ways, it's a whole another level of the game. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.